UMLA ke Mawlai bak berat starwel marbanyang ulabu jengkeli Ïing Dorbar Haba Iadei bat ka Jingdonkam hanong bak Shillong bat kamtam ha Mawlai barokawai. Haba jubab halor kani Menteri Ketenat PHE Marcus and Marak ulayatho baki projek bam Iadei bat ka Mawlai kidang yad mentah. Haba Iadei bat ke Shillong City Menteri ulayatho batang shudap ka phase 3 ansala aban penduna ya ka Jingduna
Answer to start question number 3. Sir, A. Sir, the total amount of drinking water needed daily in Shillong City, including areas not covered under Greater Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 and Phase 2, is 5 crore 58 lakhs 30,000 litres. B. The total amount of drinking water supplied daily in Shillong. The total amount of drinking water in Shillong is 4 crore 17 lakhs 80,000 litres. C. The deficit/shortages of drinking water in Shillong is 1 crore 40 lakh 50,000 litres. D. The total amount of drinking water needed daily in Mawlai is 92 lakh 50,000 litres. E. The total amount of drinking water supplied daily in Mawlai is 64 lakh 75,000 litres. F. So the deficit/shortages of drinking water in Mawlai is 27 lakh 75,000 litres. G. Sir, in Shillong City, the gap is expected to reduce on completion of Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. With respect to Mawlai, a scheme under JJM, namely Shillong, Lo Mawlai, Tlong, Mawiyong, and B1, B3 WSS is ongoing, and a number of schemes are under process.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes. I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for the elaborate response to the question. Water is becoming increasingly scarce on a global scale, and Shillong and the entire state is no exception to this problem. And my supplementary question is, since when the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 started? I would also like to know the progress of the work so far, and when can we expect to complete?
Sir, the Greater Shillong Supply Scheme Phase 3 year of sanction was 2010-2008. Sanction amount was 19 lakh 349.72 lakhs. Revised amount 25 lakh 906.72 lakhs. Re-revised 32 lakh 507.54 lakhs. The project covered augmentation of, I'll give you all the entire information so that you can have a knowledge about it. Augmentation of water supply to 4 urban centers, that is Nongtamai, Mawlai, Shillong Municipal Board, Shillong Cantonment Board, and to provide coverage to Punthormkra, Nongmensong, and Madanriting. Design capacity was for 8 MLD. Revised estimate on distribution system was prepared along with additional work for Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3, for which an additional amount of 6,557.00 lakhs was sanctioned, and 4,600 lakhs was allocated from special central assistance to states for capital expenditure. On account of delay, re-revised estimate for the amount of 32,507.54 lakhs was sanctioned on 15 March 2027 under Urban Water Supply Scheme State Plan.
May I know from the Minister, maybe he had missed, he had given the details of the project so far, and may I know from him the progress of work, as well as when can we expect the project to complete because it has been too long. The project started in 2008 and the citizens of Shillong, including my constituency, have been looking forward for the completion of this scheme so as to ease the problem as far as water shortages is concerned. So may I know from the Minister concerned?
Yes, sir. I agree that this project has been have not been completed for too long. There are multiple reasons for that, which I have here on this August on several occasions. I have already explained. There were several multiple reasons for which this project was delayed. But ultimately, this project has kicked off, and the work is at 78% now. The pumping stage 2, which will pump the water from third phase to the treatment plant, we are expecting that to be, started by November. We will be able to push the water to the treatment plant from the next November. We are hoping to that. So it's 78% now.